Look at this video of NASA genuinely launching a satellite into space using a helium balloon. Now, why on earth would they use helium to launch a satellite into space? Well, did you know that NASA is actually the largest consumer of helium on Earth? That's right. They use helium to launch all of their satellites into space. But according to the mainstream model, there's tens of thousands of satellites in space, with all of the Starlink satellites and everything, right? Well, why don't you see any of them during any of the spacewalks? Well, that's because the astronauts doing the spacewalks aren't in space. They're actually underwater and LARPing being in space. And every single image of a satellite, if you Google real satellite in space, is a CGI image. Because if they told you what satellites actually were, it would completely dismantle the globe model. Because they tell you that these CGI satellites are whipping around the Earth and using its gravitational force to stay in orbit. But in reality, they are using helium because NASA understands that helium is one of the least dense elements on Earth, so it can raise all the way up to the highest levels of the atmosphere. So that's what's actually going on. They're not fighting gravity, they're using density, buoyancy, and electromagnetism. But of course, I made this video entirely for entertainment purposes only, and I have no idea what I'm talking about.